Prep-seal Luer Lock Syringe Caps are convenient, economical, and a high-quality solution for providing positive closure to male Luer Lock devices, such as IV syringes. The unique sterile tray of 10 design features a keyed bottom that lets you install caps quickly and efficiently with a simple twist of the syringe, further enhancing aseptic technique and reducing touch contamination. The tray design also allows the pharmacist to access caps 2 at a time, reducing waste and saving time. The Prep-seal line of caps and plugs also offers traditional style Luer Lock Caps in an individual blister and Luer Slip Plugs for the closure of compatible female slip connector types. With over 50 years of service to the healthcare industry, IMI is dedicated to providing high-quality devices to increase pharmacy productivity and safety.